Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Haitian Dining with Mary. In today's video, I will show you how to make white rice. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below. And let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 green onion cut in 3 pieces, 2 1/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of jasmine rice. In the saucepan here, I'm gonna put the oil and let it heat for maybe 2 minutes before I add the green onion. I'm gonna get it fried until it gets golden brown before I add the water. Please make sure you don't let your green onion burn. Onion are golden brown. I'm gonna put the water and the salt and let it boil. After the water starts boiling, I'm gonna put the rice in the pan. I forgot to mention that you must wash the rice at least twice when the water is boiling. After the water is evaporated, I'm gonna put on low and cover for another 20 minutes until it's cooked. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna fluff the rice and then it's ready to eat. It's fluffy and delicious. Bon appetit! Here is the final product. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please comment below, like and share this video, and I see you next time. Bye bye!